Welcome to GadZeke. Today, we're looking at 3 quotes from Robert Greene's The Laws of Human Nature. 3 ideas that sound simple until you actually try to live by them. So don't rush this. Read each one slowly as it appears. Then read it again. Quote 1. On focus. This one is about where your energy goes. Don't believe bigger is better. Consolidating and concentrating your forces is often the wiser choice. Now, on the surface, that sounds like military advice. And originally, it was. But look closer and it applies to almost everything. Your work, your goals, even your attention. Read that again. Concentrate your forces. 3 words that quietly explain why some people advance while others just stay busy. Here's the trap. Spreading yourself thin feels productive. You're always moving, always responding, always doing something. But busyness is not the same as progress. Motion is not momentum. 10 scattered efforts will lose to 1 concentrated push. Every time. In your work, in your money, and in your skills. Depth beats breadth because depth compounds. The person who does one thing deeply will always outpace the person who does 5 things halfway. So pause the video if you need to and ask yourself honestly, where is my energy scattered right now? And what would happen if I pulled it all into one place? Sometimes the bravest decision is choosing what to ignore. That's lesson 1. Focus beats scale. You don't need more fronts. You need more force on fewer fronts. One more time and let it land. Don't believe bigger is better. Consolidating and concentrating your forces is often the wiser choice. Fewer battles, fought properly. Quote 2. On envy and where your self-worth comes from. Learn to deflect envy by drawing attention away from yourself. Develop your sense of self-worth from internal standards and not incessant comparisons. That's 2 instructions in 1 quote. The first protects you from other people. The second protects you from yourself. Master both and very little can shake you. Read that again. Internal standards. Your own scoreboard, not everyone else's. When you meet your own standard, the noise outside gets much quieter. Because comparison hands your confidence to strangers. Every scroll, every ranking, every highlight reel quietly asks the same question. How do you measure up? And there is always someone ahead. Greene's other warning is subtler. Envy follows those who display too much. The more you show off, the more silent enemies you create. Quiet excellence is protection. Let the results speak long after you've left the room. So ask yourself, whose approval am I still performing for? And what would I do differently if nobody was watching? It's a hard question. Most people never ask it, which is exactly why it's worth asking. Lesson 2. Self-worth is built within. Judge yourself by your own standards honestly held. Standards you'd hold even in an empty room. One more time. Develop your sense of self-worth from internal standards and not incessant comparisons. Your scoreboard, nobody else's. Quote 3. On persistence, perhaps the most practical of them all. Almost nothing in the world can resist persistent human energy. Things will yield if we strike enough blows with enough force. Notice what Greene is claiming here. Not that talent wins, not that luck decides, but that sustained pressure applied over time is very nearly unstoppable. Read that again. Things will yield, not might. Will. That's a promise hidden inside a warning about giving up too soon. Most obstacles aren't actually immovable. They're just waiting for more blows. The wall that stopped you wasn't the end of the road. It was a test of how many times you'd swing. Talent starts things. Persistence finishes them. And the world is full of talented people who stop one blow too early. Skill opens the door. Showing up every day is what walks you through it. So be honest with yourself. What did you quit one blow too early? And is it really finished? Or just paused? Sometimes the difference between failure and success is simply one more attempt. Lesson 3. Persistence bends reality. Keep striking. Not louder, not smarter, just longer. One final time. Almost nothing in the world can resist persistent human energy. Nothing. Persistence is the one advantage that nobody can take from you. So, which one hit hardest? 1, 2, or 3? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if these resonated, there are hundreds more where they came from. Visit GadZeke.com and explore the full collection. GadZeke. Timeless quotes, curated. Thank you for watching.